High-efficiency diamond wire cutting technology. Effortlessly handling ultra-hard materials. Unsintered silicon carbide, high hardness and wear resistance. Posing challenges for conventional machining. Diamond wire cuts with micron-level precision, delivering smooth edges without chipping. Flawless cutting surface. No secondary processing needed, saving time and cost. Automated control system adapts to various thicknesses and shapes, boosting productivity. Diamond wire delivers micron-level cuts with Ra0.2μm mirror finish and 0.2 precision. Certified flatness 0.1 meeting stringent demands for semiconductor and optical applications. Uniform diamond grit distribution ensures consistent and durable cutting performance.